Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm telling you how to easily change currency on Wix. So if you want to, for example, move your website or just change the currency in general in your Wix account to another currency, this actually is a option that's tied to your region. So you'll have to change certain settings in your region in order to change your currency. So let us go to the settings. And guys, in here, we just need to find region settings. So let us scroll until we find it. So as you can see, this is our setting, language and region. Click on this. Also, as you can see, we have the currency setting in here as well. Okay, so in my case, as you can see, the currency is set to Ukrainian hryvnia, which is fine. I'm just going to change it to USD, for example. USD, US dollar. Okay, make sure the payment providers can operate in this location and are able to accept payments in this currency. Got it. So as you can see, also we have this little notification. Changing your currency may impact any region where your service provider calculates real-time shipping rates. So yeah, before changing this, just make sure that you will be able to accept payments. All right. So as you can see, you can also have a preview. So we have numbers and the currency. So this is how you change the currency, guys, on Wix. Now, hopefully this helps you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the notification bell to not miss the new fresh videos.